Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show with you how to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet on Trust Wallet. So guys, the only solution that I have when I make some search, it is install the app. Click on remove the app guys. After remove the app, you should be re-download again. After downloading the app guys, you see you can withdraw from view only wallet on Trust Wallet easily without any problems. Just install the app guys, and then you can install again from your wallet using your phrase, login your phrase or passkey, and then you can withdraw your fund on Watch on from view only wallet. This is how the solution I have. Just click remove the app guys, and then go to your app store again guys, and then you can see download the app again to watch withdraw from view only Watch Wallet. Thanks guys for watching this video.